Oh yeah. Mmm. Corn ribs. Ooh, baby. Huh? Corn ribs it is. Oh yeah. This is amazing. I dare you, give it a try. You will fall in love with it as much as I do. It is delicious. It is roasted. It is like fried. It is spicy. It is flavorful. It is yummy. Okay? Corn ribs and joy. Hello, family. Welcome back to Mama Ninja's Kitchen, a home filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Oh, yes, guys, as you can hear from my voice, I am so thrilled to be having this show today because I have something new that I am trying out, and I do want to take you along with me. This is the TikTok viral on corn ribs. Have any one of you hearing my voice right now tried corn ribs before? If you have, please leave a comment. Drop a comment on what your experience was. What are your pros and your cons about it? How much do you like it? Okay, did it change your whole world on how to eat corn? So yeah, I'm about to experience this, guys. I have had corn all my life. Cooked corn, steamed corn, baked corn, popcorn, in all sorts of varieties of cooking. But corn ribs is a TikTok viral that everybody is going for. Guys, you know me, I like to try things. My life is an everyday adventure. So, what a better way to try this adventure than bring you all with me, guys. Let's go and try this corn rib. Let's see how true to what they have claimed that it is a game changer. So, guys, first you want to clean out your corn, and I have tried off camera. I tried cutting the corn, okay, just fresh raw. It was challenging because of the husk inside. Then I did a little research which claims that cooking the corn in the microwave for 2 minutes will make it softer to cut through. So, guys, I have put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and now I am cutting it. And as you can see, it is still very difficult. It is not the easiest thing to do. And it's supposed to be cut into like at least 4 pieces lengthwise, right? So that when it is all baked, it kind of bend into a curvy shape like ribs. I'm not having a whole lot of success with the cutting part. Okay, but I'm just going to try and do my best. Wow, guys, as you can see, this is not the easiest job at all, okay? There has to be a better technique of cutting through this corn than what I'm doing here. Guys, you can see here, there's a mild improvement, but not really much because it's still very hard to cut through and it's all breaking apart. I'm not getting the straight cut into 4 pieces that I'm looking for. So guys, yeah, this corn ribs better be good. You know what I mean? It better be good to go all through these, and the risk of cutting yourself through. You know, so guys, if you are going to indulge in this, just be careful. And if there is anyone out there watching this video and you know of a better technique, a better method to really get these fine lines on this corn, cut it straight way, please, I'm begging, drop me that information. Yes, leave that comment down below. That will really be beneficial because I can tell you I really want to do this and do it right. So guys, I have managed to cut through the four, yeah, I think it's four cones that I had. Yeah, 4 or 5 pieces of corn. Woo wee! That was labor of love, guys. So now let's get into the seasoning. That should be the easiest part of it. Into this olive oil I have here, some olive oil is about 1/3 of a cup or less. Some garlic powder, a teaspoon garlic powder, paprika, 1 teaspoon paprika, parsley, 1 teaspoon, and then 2 teaspoons parsley, some pepper, half a teaspoon of pepper, Himalaya salt, more pepper, mix that together good. Alright, I think we are now ready. Okay, brush, brush, brush. Just coat it, give it a good coating. Alright, gonna stay right there. Guys, this is going to be an experience. Okay, totally an experience that I would love to share with you all. As I said, it's the first time making these, guys. So we are on this journey together. I'm gonna taste it for you and let you know is it worth the hype or not. Okay, I think this is fun. So guys, how are you doing today? How is your day going? So here guys, so now I'm gonna transfer that into the air fryer oven. Alright guys, here is the second batch. So I'm gonna transfer that to the air fryer oven. Wow, now the corn ribs is out of the air fryer oven, guys. This is what we have going on. Oh boy, one thing I can tell you, the aroma is bomb. I mean bomb, bomb, bomb. A splash of parsley on top for garnishing. So just chopped fresh parsley for garnishing, guys. And voila, voila, corn ribs. Oh yes, guys, we are going to do the tasting, okay? Because we shall find out the TikTok viral hype on these corn ribs. Is it actually true or false? Is it what almost losing your finger for? You saw how challenging it was to cut this corn into the 4 straight pieces. Guys, I have done some research and I have not come across any easier or trick to it. But I have my hopes up. If you know one, drop me a message. Alright guys, let's get down to it. What are we waiting for? Before we go down to the eating and tasting this, let me tell you how I came up with this, okay? I used air fryer oven, Go Wise USA. I started with 400 degrees for 10 minutes. The corn was not roasted, so I opted to 415 degrees for 12 minutes. Switching out the rack, move the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top. And that did it. Taste this, guys. Go forward. Bon appetit. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 Whoa. Guys, this is so good. So good. I love it. Yes, I am ready to give you my review here. I would say, if you ask me, is this corn ribs, is it even worth it? Is it worth trying? Guys, I would say yes, 100%. 100%. And with the little cayenne pepper that I put in it, just give it enough heat so it's not too spicy. It is so flavorful. OMG, guys, so flavorful. As you bite on it, all the spices just coats your lips. It is yummy. Whoa. Wow. Totally a different level of eating corn ribs, guys. You gotta give it a try. Give it a try. The only cons that I have about this is cutting it. You really have to be careful with the knife. It's not the easiest thing to cut. I tried cutting it fresh, and then I did a cutting after cooking it for 2 minutes in the microwave. That was even worse because it kept breaking apart. Next time, what I'm going to do is cut it in half, but then you don't get the elongated one. I really like the elongated ones. Yeah. Corn ribs, guys, totally delicious. Love it. Wow. There is something like this. Whoa. Man, guys, it is totally worth trying. Give it a try. Step out of that comfort zone. Give it a try. You will love corn ribs. Corn ribs it is. Oh yeah. Best way to have corn, if you ask me. It's coated with flavor. Oh. So the texture is like roasted and fried. Wow. I would love to introduce this to my friends, guys. It's that good. It is that good. It is yummy. Yummy. If you love to eat corn, you need to give this a try. Corn ribs. Oh yeah. Corn ribs. Ooh, baby. This is amazing. Guys, thank you for coming in on this journey with me today, trying out corn ribs. And guys, to me, 100%. Indeed, 100% all the way. Give it a try. You will fall in love with it as much as I do. It is delicious. It is roasted. It is like fried. It is spicy. It is flavorful. It is yummy. Corn ribs. Enjoy.